Welcome to the Cruising Addicts channel. Today we're going to take you on a tour of an ocean suite on Carnival Celebration. Sit back and enjoy the tour, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more cruise and travel content, and don't forget to check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.
This is cabin 9303 on Carnival Celebration, and we are sailing on Celebration in February of 2026. We're looking at the entryway of the cabin facing towards the balcony, and when you first walk in, you come into the sleeping area. This cabin does sleep a maximum of 5 passengers. You have 2 twins here that can be separated or put together as a queen bed. And you also have a sofa bed in the living room area and a Pullman bed up above. This is a twin. The sofa bed will sleep 2, and then the Pullman will sleep 1, and then you can sleep 2 here in the bedroom area. The bed has 2 lamps, reading lamps, one on each side. You pull it out and it lights up. You also have a USB down below, and you have a tray, a shelf / tray to store items. You have above at the top of your headboard, you have your light switches for the cabin that will cut all the lights on and off. And you also have a television in this area, a very nice large TV. This cabin is an ocean suite, so it's a little bit nicer and a little bit bigger than a standard balcony cabin. Moving towards the balcony, you're going to find another reading light. The same, you just pull it out. Nice to have the USBs here if you need to charge your phone or any items. Same thing, you have a little shelf there. Look back towards the entry. Very nice cabin. Lots of storage. You have these 2 double closets here, and they are very nice, very large. They're lit, so they do have a light. It's automatic when you open it. Plenty of hangers. And you have your in-room safe. And I believe this one is a punch code or a key card. You can do either one. Punch a 4-digit code and then hit lock, or you can swipe your key card to lock it. Not big enough to hold anything more than maybe a tablet, a wallet, passport, jewelry, that kind of stuff. Down below the safe, you have some trays here that you can store items. This slide out, very nice. And another. It does look like part of this cabinet is broken because that looks like a door that was somewhere. You also have another tray at the bottom that slides out. And it looks like you have some flip down shelves actually. These, I guess you pull up the little knob here and you can flip this down. But the pins that would hold it in place are not there, so that's not going to work. It is missing the pins. And then moving on, you do have a couple of hooks too, by the way. You have a hook there, you have a hook there. Moving on to the next cabinet, same size and pretty much the same. You have plenty of hangers, lots of hangers, and plenty of storage space down below. Same setup here. You do have the flip down, well, looks like it's missing something here. Maybe the rods that go there. But you also have 2 robes, and you got an area down below you can put some items. One more thing too is you have this mirror here on the inside of the door. It's full length, and then you also have another hook over on this side over here. Okay, let's take a look at the vanity area. And you have a lighted mirror here. Switches right here to the right. Just hit that switch on the bottom, will turn it off, the top will turn it on. You have a stool or a chair and your trash can and several drawers here. Usually one of these holds your hair dryer, usually, right there. These are all about the same. They're very narrow, a couple of them are. Some of them are a little deeper. Yeah, not very deep. And this is the first time I've seen one of these, I guess in suites they do these, but you have a glass door fridge, cooler, and it looks really cold. There's ice there on the back, and it's very cold. A little bit better than most of them that I've seen on Carnival ships. Now over here you have all your literature, of course, on the countertop. Pretty good sized counter. You can do your makeup on or work on your computer or whatever you like to do. And then also you have 3 outlets and 4 USBs, which is pretty unique to Carnival ships. Most of them don't have half of that. Most of them don't even have the USBs, but it is nice. You have 3 110 outlets and 2 USBs. I don't see any European sockets, they don't have those. Your telephone, of course, you have a couple of shelves here you can store items on. Your bottled water, you get so many complimentary if you're red or higher. You get 1 bottle per person complimentary. And then you have a couple of drinking glasses and your room service menu. Here's a look at the entry of the cabin from this end. Very long cabin. It goes on and on as far as length. It's not very wide, but it's very long. So this cabin has 2 televisions. The living area here with the sofa. There is a lamp and a nightstand. And this sofa bed makes out to another queen bed. They'll sleep 2. You also have some more storage here, another chair for sitting, and of course another television, which is very nice. Coffee table also, and you have some drawers for storage, about the same size as the drawers on the Vanity. These are a little bit deeper, but decent size storage. Very nice to have 2 large flat screen TVs. That's a huge perk. Here's another look at the cabin from the opposite end. And you also have up above your Pullman bed. As I said earlier, this cabin sleeps 5. Pull that bed down, that's another twin bed up above. You have another queen here that pulls out. That's a good look at the cabin from the opposite end. Let's show you where we're located on this cabin on the map on the door. So we are located on deck 9, and you can see the little red rectangle there. That's our location. We're pretty much forward, kind of in between forward and midship, but I would consider this area forward. And all your safety instructions and all that kind of stuff are here. Your muster station, which is B6, is also indicated here, and it shows you where it's located. A couple things about the cabin. You do have to have a key card inserted here for this to work properly. The lighting, here's your light switches at the entry, and your thermostat for your AC. And to adjust your temperatures, of course, you'll hit either plus or minus for colder. You do have a couple of hooks here at the bathroom door, and that's your bathroom light switch here. You turn your light on and off. Now here's another look at the cabin and a slow walk through so you can get an idea of how large the cabin is. It is quite large, very long. Lots of space. We are going to be fine for 5 people here. This is probably about double the size of a standard interior cabin. Let's take a closer look at the balcony. And one thing to note on this ship and the Excel class ships is the door handle is a little bit different. This is the closed position. You can see the sign here. It tells you how to operate it. To open it, you have to swing it down, and then you can slide it. But it's not going to open until you do that. So that's just something to be aware of. There is also a child safety lock up here that you can use to lock the door if you don't want your children to open the balcony door. Good sized balcony. It is not very wide, but it is pretty deep. And you have some larger loungers here that will lay back. You can lay these back all the way if you like. Very nice. Nicer than the standard balcony furniture that you would get on a standard balcony cabin. Have a little end table here. And here's a look at the view from the cabin on deck 9. Look at Miami. Beautiful day in Miami today. The only thing that's maybe a drawback here is these cabins do stick out past the cabins above. So if you're out here on the balcony, you could have neighbors that can see you. So that's something to be aware of. Those are the cabins above. Just something to keep in mind. Another look at the cabin from the balcony. Let's take a look at the bathroom, and of course, as I was mentioning earlier, your light switch is here. You have 2 hooks on the inside of the door. You can hang clothing or whatever you like there, some towels. And a good look at the bathroom. A little bit larger than the standard Carnival bathroom. The shower is quite a bit larger. Very nice. But let's start on the left-hand side. Starting here, you have, of course, your towel racks, your toilet paper holder. You have your toilet, and I guess that is another toilet paper holder, maybe. You have, moving to the right, you have a makeup mirror, some shelves there, a mirror with a light above it, pretty large sink, and some more towel racks with some storage down below. Your trash can, of course, extra bathroom products, and to your right you'll have the shower here. And has a sliding glass door, unlike most Carnival showers that are cloth curtain. Now inside of the shower, of course, you have another hook, and you have a clothesline that is over here. You just pull it out, and you can attach it to the other side over here. And I'll give you a nice clothesline to hang with swimsuits or towels or anything you'd like. Wellness products. These are pretty nice. We like the Carnival's products, and this is the shampoo and their bath and shower gel. Really nice stuff. You have a removable shower head, and this one doesn't look like you can adjust the pattern on it. It looks standard. Most of them you can dial the pattern in, but that one no. Your right hand side is going to be a temperature, left hand side is going to be on and off. And then you have a soap dish, you have a grab bar, and you have a footrest, which is really nice. First Carnival ship I've seen that on. Pretty large shower. I'm a bigger guy, and this shower is plenty big enough for me. You almost could fit, you could definitely fit 2 people in here. Although I don't know if you'd want to do that, but another look at the shower. Step back. Give you an idea how big it really is. Shower is probably the best thing in this suite, but very nice.
We hope you enjoyed this tour of Ocean Suite on Carnival Celebration. If you did, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more cruise ship and cabin tours, and don't forget to check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.